I'll make it short. Somebody smashed in the side of my car a while back. It was a teenager. I was in the car, but I was not moving. It was my word against his, and here we are today. My car is still not fixed because his insurance didn't want to cover for it. So this brings me to this. This is a camera that will allow to record any kind of incident. I found this one on Amazon. I'm going to put a link at the bottom of the video. Once this camera is installed, the insurance company will not be able to argue with you. It was my word against his with no witnesses, and the insurance company decided that each insurance company is going to pay for the other person's problem, and mine had a $1,000 deductible. So if you don't want to spend $1,000 every time you get a scratch on the side of the car and you want the other company to pay for it, you need video evidence, and this will do that. What's in the box? This is the camera that comes in. This particular kit I really like because it comes with a front and a rear facing camera. So this is the camera that we're gonna put in the window, and let's go from there. Let's do a quick installation. Since then I did buy another camera that it's sitting in a dash, but this is terrible quality. It's very old. It didn't work very well. So today we are going to replace it with something that is going to have a lot better quality. The best place to install it, it's behind your rear view mirror, so that way it doesn't impede when you're looking outside at all. To download the app, open your camera. My camera can identify websites, so I'm gonna click on it, and this is the app itself. It's called VF Card DAE V360. So install. This is the app. Before you continue, remember in the box it comes with a special power adapter. You have to use this one. I've tried to just feed it from the one that I'm charging my phone with, but did not work. As soon as I plugged it into this one, you heard voice commands coming out of the speaker on the camera. So you have to use the one that comes with it.
I can use car camera.
Once you open up the app, you go to the recorder, click on this little link. It's going to ask you, would you want to do this? And then here's the camera. So the default password is 1234567 which could be changed. And there it is. It's already broadcasting live. Before you choose a location where to place it, have it broadcast live and then move it in the window, so that way you will know when you get it right, it's actually going to be able to not be blocked by something that you have in the window at that particular point. And here it is. This is the location that I have chosen. It is a camera that you could adjust in time, so if you want to adjust it, you can later on. Right now, you have to do is the cable management. So this is the old cable from my old camera. This has to come off, and this cable has to go in. It's a little bit thick, but it's important because it's the only cable that works with it, and I'm going to run it under here and through this beam in my dash. It fit right under here with no problem whatsoever, and this will connect to the back camera, which I haven't put yet in, so I'm going to run it all the way to the back. Picking the location for the rear camera is also very important. I had a gap here in the window, so I aligned the lens this way, so it's looking at this gap through the window, so you don't see these lines in the video. The best way to figure this one out, first of all, I put it with a double-sided tape, and you could watch your cell phone screen over there, and it will tell you exactly where the camera is. And we are done. The camera is here. The wiring I ran all under here. I took this slide off to be able to continue to run it all the way to the camera in the back, which is right over there. Let's take it for a test drive and see how it looks like.